Yesterday, hi, this is Ferrella from Any House Cleaning. Yesterday we finished the house. Yesterday was a busy day. But we finished, they mopped, and I was outside and I didn't want to step again. This client is really picky. So I came today just to check everything, to make sure that we didn't miss any spot, because this client she wants her house spectacular clean. And I remember that yesterday I didn't record the final job, so I record how we did the job but not how it came. So everything looks clean. I'm really happy with the floor, with this all the surface. I'm really happy. Just checking everything. The light fixtures are clean, without dust. The mirrors came really good. The floor, the corners, really good. I'm really happy. Checking everything. And there is no haze. It doesn't look dull. It doesn't look white. The floor is spectacular clean. It's really good. Awesome. Love it. Hilda is gonna bring a little of dry mop to pass again. Checking all the details. I'm recording for you. The glass is clean. They clean the Rio, but there's still some cement there. Yesterday the crew was tired because they did another house and a lot of paint that they have to remove. I don't want to step, but it's necessary. Just close it, vacuum. What is this? Another closet. Vacuum. Perfect. Bathroom. Beautiful. The glass. You can touch the surface and it's smooth. And the glass is good. Really good job. The light fixtures clean. Perfect. Good. The sink came really good, shiny. I always put the faucet like that, but Hilda teach me that you have to put it this way. Kitchen came really good. The cabinets were clean in and out, especially this part. Good. Everything is new, you know. He is fixing and removing the cement. Looks better. On the other side. Let me do a zoom. Perfect. Another bedroom is done. Blinds. The other bedroom is vacuum, the blinds done, the windows it's done. Checking this bathroom. Good. Hilda is vacuuming again, just to make sure that everything is clean. Hay una mancha en el vidrio de ese bañito, pero es un salpicado. Solamente es para pulirlo. Excelente. Se ve un poco mejor, ¿sí o no?
Sí, claro.
Ya, perfecto. Asegúrate de cerrar. Y cierras ya la persiana. Everything is done because we step even though we are in socks. I asked Juan Carlos to vacuum again to make sure that we don't leave any kind of paint, and Hilda is gonna mop again with a neutral, so everything is gonna be good. I already text the client that we're already done. In the laundry, the floor, in all the corners, looks good. Perfect.